Seedance 2.0 is insane. This construction animation took me minutes to create.
Behind me is where your dream home will soon stand. Welcome to your new paradise.
Today I'm showing you how to create an architectural construction phasing animation using the brand new Seedance 2.0. So this is what architects show clients to visualize the building process. Normally you would need to model every single construction stage, animate equipment, add workers. This takes a lot of time, but not anymore. Check this out. You've got someone announcing the project with correct speech that actually follows the prompt I gave. You've got machinery, construction workers, scaffolding, the whole structure taking shape. And it looks really consistent. No weird glitches, no random artifacts. You have way more control than you would expect from an AI tool. And here's exactly how I made it. I'm using OpenArt, which already features Seedance 2.0. And not only that, it has multiple AI models in one platform. So I can quickly iterate and try different options with Nano Banana, for example. So first, inside OpenArt, I go to Create Image, and with Nano Banana 2, I ask it to make the building look like it's under construction. You know, rough materials, imperfections, unfinished look. And I tell it to keep the same camera view. This is important. And here's what we get. Looks pretty solid already, but we need more views to build a decent animation. So I click the image I want and on the right side hit Reference. Now it will use this image as a starting point. I remove the previous reference and tell the AI to turn this into an early construction state. By the way, all the prompts I used are in the description below. Grab them, they will save you a ton of time. Now I reference this new image again and ask for an empty lot ready for construction. And a quick note, I'm rendering everything at 1K because right now Seedance 2.0 only supports up to 720p. But don't worry, we can upscale the videos directly inside OpenArt. Stick around till the end and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Now again, same process. Reference the image, ask for a vacant lot. Here's the result. And finally, let's add a realtor to the scene. I reference the image, then I just say, add the woman to the scene. Don't change the camera view. And just like that, we've got all our views ready to animate. So to start animating, go to Frame to Video and select Seedance 2.0 as your model. You've got a few ways to work here. Add a start and an image, write a text description, or upload up to 15 references, images, video, audio, and let Seedance figure it out. Here's what we are going to do. Head over to any AI chat tool, it can be Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, whatever you use, and upload your images. Then ask it to write a video prompt, max 15 seconds, where the woman starts by saying, "Welcome to your new paradise," moves away from the camera into the foreground, and then the full construction sequence plays out in order or file name. Here's the prompt it gave me. Copy it, go back into OpenArt and hit Add Visual References. Upload all your images there. You'll notice each image gets a tag. Use those specific tags to reference specific moments in your prompt. For the realtor shot, add image 1 so the AI knows exactly which image you mean. Keep audio on, set mode to fast, the results are solid and it generates much quicker. And for the output, aspect ratio of 16:9, 720p, 15 seconds. You can run up to 4 generations at once, but I will go with 2 generations and hit Generate. Alright, took a couple of minutes, let's see what we got.
Welcome to your new paradise. Both options look great, honestly, but if you want tighter control over specific moments,
go with Start and End Frame option instead. Upload your first and second image and give it a prompt like this. The camera focuses on the woman while she says, "Behind me is where your dream home will soon stand." Then she moves away to the foreground, says, "Welcome to your new paradise," and exits the frame. So same settings, but drop it to 5 seconds and hit generate. One thing to keep in mind from my experience, the difference between 5 and 6 seconds can give you completely different results. So don't be afraid to experiment with length a little. And again, here's what we get.
Behind me is where your dream home will soon stand. Welcome to your new paradise.
Now, click the swap icon to flip the start and end frames, and swap the last frame for your next image. For the prompt, I keep it simple. Construction time-lapse animation. Construction workers, sound effects only, no music. So, sound effects only, no music. That part matters. You want clean, consistent audio across all your clips, so you can drop your own music on top in editing. And here's the result. Repeat this for each remaining clip with the same prompt. And once you've got everything, drop it all into any video editor, line up your clips, add some music, and you should end up with something that looks like this.
Behind me is where your dream home will soon stand. Welcome to your new paradise.
And honestly, get creative with it. Try drone shots, fast camera moves, different angles. Seedance 2.0 handles them all surprisingly well. And here's a pro tip. If your first result isn't quite right, just regenerate using different timings and settings. Every attempt gives you a fresh variation to work with. Alright, as promised, let me show you how to upscale your videos right inside OpenArt. Select your clip and hit Upscale. For resolution, go with 4K. For frame rate, I'll pick 30 frames per second. It's broadcast quality, looks great, and costs 3 times fewer credits than 60 frames. Hit generate and give it about 5 to 6 minutes per clip. And here's the final result. Way smoother, noticeable better quality, totally worth the extra step. Seedance 2.0 is honestly the best AI video model I've tested so far. Consistent results, almost zero glitches, and it actually understands what you are going for. The native audio generation is better than I expected too. And next up, I'm covering walkthrough animations, full interior to exteriors in one continuous shot, no cuts, no editing. Also, how you can create animations where all the objects are showing up one by one. So, comment below more Seedance videos and I'll make more tutorials for you guys. And if you want to try this yourself, OpenArt link is in the description. It's the platform I used for this entire video with multiple AI models all in one place. Plan starts at $14 a month for the Essential plan with 4,000 credits. And if this video helped you out, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more architects and designers. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.